Hi there. So, welcome to the videos. What you're looking at here on the screen is the site that you're going to be customizing and making your own. This is how it comes sort of out of the packet, and you've got one of these. It's been all made for you. As you can see here, it says here, this site has been created for me to store my schoolwork and write about my activities while I'm at AISJ. There you go. Now you know what it's for. I will create new pages, and I will show you how to do that. And I will keep them organized, and I'll show you how to do that as well. I will also post content to my site in a variety of subject areas. Hopefully, we're going to start with tech stuff, but you may be watching this video as part of an English class, or maybe a social studies class, or maybe a drama class. And so you can post up what you've been up to in those classes as well. However, you need to always remember to stay safe online and to be aware of your digital footprint. Remember, anything that you put up on this site is in the public domain. That means anybody can see it. So don't tell people information about yourself, where you're going to be and when you're going to be there. Don't put up photos with names associated with them. Those kind of basic things that you've been learning about in your digital citizenship course. Okay, so at the moment the site looks quite smart and clean, but it mostly looks smart and clean because there's nothing interesting on there. So we're going to learn how to get logged onto it and how to then upload some information. This is going to be spread out in a few videos. This video, as well as introducing you to the site and the sort of idea behind it, is also going to show you how to get to your site. So the starting point is in your email. To Outlook, you will have been sent an email that'll look something like this. It'll come up like this if you have a look there, learning, and then a new AISJ virtual learning, blah, blah, blah. So you can search for that in your inbox. It would have been obviously sent to your school account. And it looks like this. You're going to have this photo here. It looks as if it's from this chap, F. Bigger. F. Bigger is the tech director at AISJ. And it will have the link to your site here and also a link to the logon to your site. It'll also have here your username and it'll have your password if you've been given one. If you haven't been given one, probably the password is just the word password, all lowercase. So we need to go have a look at it and log on to it. Well, if you click on here, it'll take you to this page, which is the site live online. If you click the other link, it'll take you to here. Well, actually, let's just click it so you can see what goes on. If I click this, it's actually going to take me to the login page. You can see here this thing is WP admin. Actually, well, that's happened because I'm already logged in. Let's go all the way back because I'm sure somebody's going to have that question. How do I log in? Well, there you go. You put your username in here, you put the password in here if you've been given one. If not, password or lowercase, and then you click login. There you go. Then you wait a short time and then you get to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you're going to control all the things that go on with your site. Some of you will be familiar with this last year. It's WordPress, so if anybody wants to sort of look up something, then you need to just search for stuff to do with WordPress. This is a point where the second video is going to pick up and I'm going to show you how to make pages and what's sort of going on with your site. So if you've managed to log yourself in, you're good to go on to the second video.